Vice Chancellors of Pokhara University and Gandhar University, and the team of Pokhara University, international delegates, and my young friends sitting on the back. आज यस सुन्दर पोखराको नगरीबाट जसलाई तपाईहरुले सायद क्यापिटल अफ टुरिज्म पनि भन्नुहुन्छ, सबैलाई मेरो अभिवादन. And I'll be taking you and describing you a little bit of what I've done in my life, and what I really want to share with our younger people on the back is I have done everything with lots of passion. It's very important that you do your things with your passion and love and engagement, and integrity. These have really helped me in my life. And I'm going to take you through just a short course of what we have done in some parts. And if you look at blindness is not just blindness. Blindness really reduces the life expectancy of people, reduces the income of the person, and also their family, and thereby society. There's less opportunity of employment and authority in the family, especially in this part of the world where subsistence family is a rule, and thereby increasing the burden in the society. So, blindness really has a big social undervalue. Cataract, by and large, is one of the most common causes of blindness in the world still.